Hey everyone, it's Sato Ab, and welcome back to Infinite Asset, the channel dedicated to helping you achieve financial freedom. Today, we're talking about everyone's favorite topic, making money while you sleep. That's right, we're diving deep into the top 5 passive income ideas for 2025. Whether you're just starting your journey to financial independence or looking to diversify your income streams, this video has something for you. So grab your coffee, buckle up, and let's get started. Welcome to Infinite Asset, where we help you grow your wealth with smart, actionable strategies. If you're ready to make money while you sleep, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the top 5 passive income ideas for 2025. Alright, let's kick things off with a classic passive income strategy: dividend stocks. Now, I'm sure you've heard of stocks before, but dividends? They're like the secret sauce of the investing world. Imagine getting paid just for owning a piece of your favorite company. That's what dividends are all about. You see, when you buy dividend stocks, you're essentially buying a slice of a company's profits. Instead of keeping all those profits to themselves, these companies decide to share the wealth with their investors. That's you. These payouts typically roll in every quarter like clockwork, and can provide a steady stream of passive income. We're talking about established companies with a solid track record of paying out dividends consistently. Think of it like this: you buy a share in a company that makes coffee, and every quarter, they send you a check for simply being a shareholder. Now you might be thinking, Graham, that sounds too good to be true, what's the catch? Well, like any investment, there's always some risk involved. The stock market can fluctuate, and there's no guarantee that a company will continue paying dividends forever. But here's the thing: by investing in companies with a long history of dividend payments and a solid financial foundation, you significantly reduce your risk. Think of it like buying a used car. You wouldn't buy a car without checking its history, right? The same goes for dividend stocks. Look for companies with a proven track record of dividend payments and a strong financial position. We're talking about companies that have weathered economic storms and still manage to pay their investors. A few popular examples include companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble. These are the kinds of companies that have been around for ages and have a reputation for consistent dividend payments. But remember, this isn't about getting rich quick. Dividend investing is a long-term game. The real magic happens when you reinvest those dividends. That's the power of compounding. Over time, those reinvested dividends can generate even more dividends, creating a snowball effect that can significantly boost your returns. Let's face it, not everyone wants to be a landlord, dealing with tenants, fixing leaky faucets, and chasing rent payments. No thanks. But that doesn't mean you have to miss out on the incredible wealth-building potential of real estate. That's where REITs, or real estate investment trusts, come in. Think of REITs as the low-maintenance cousin of traditional real estate investing. They allow you to invest in income-producing properties without the hassle of actually owning and managing them yourself. It's like having your cake and eating it too. Here's how it works. REITs are companies that own and operate income-producing real estate. We're talking about everything from shopping malls and office buildings to apartments and hotels. These companies generate revenue by collecting rent from tenants and then distribute a significant portion of those earnings to shareholders. That's you, in the form of dividends. The best part? Investing in REITs is as easy as buying stocks. You can buy and sell them on major stock exchanges, making them a highly liquid investment option. Plus, you get to skip all the headaches of being a landlord. Now, REITs come in all shapes and sizes. You've got your retail REITs that focus on shopping centers, your residential REITs that specialize in apartment buildings, and even healthcare REITs that invest in hospitals and medical facilities. This variety allows you to diversify your portfolio and tailor your investments to specific sectors you believe in. For example, if you're bullish on the growth of e-commerce, you might consider investing in industrial REITs that own warehouses and logistics centers. Or, if you believe in the long-term demand for healthcare services, healthcare REITs could be a good fit for you. Just like with any investment, it's essential to do your research and choose REITs that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Look for REITs with a solid track record of dividend payments, a diversified portfolio of properties, and a strong management team. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to investing. Alright, let's move on to a more unconventional passive income strategy: peer-to-peer lending. This is where things get interesting. Imagine cutting out the middleman, the big banks, and lending money directly to individuals or small businesses. That's the power of peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper connect borrowers with investors like you, allowing you to earn potentially higher returns on your money than traditional savings accounts or certificates of deposit. It's like becoming the bank, but without all the overhead and bureaucracy. Here's the gist. Borrowers apply for loans through these platforms, and investors like you can choose which loans to fund based on the borrower's creditworthiness, loan purpose, and interest rate. It's a win-win situation. Borrowers get access to funding, and you get to earn interest on your money. Of course, there's always a risk that a borrower might default on their loan. That's why it's crucial to diversify your investments across multiple borrowers to minimize your risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, as they say. Spread your investments across various loans to create a safety net. Think of it like this. Instead of putting all your money into one borrower, you're spreading it across multiple loans, reducing the impact of any single default. It's a numbers game, and diversification is key to mitigating risk. Peer-to-peer lending is an excellent option for those looking for higher potential returns than traditional savings accounts, but who are also comfortable with a bit more risk. It's not for the faint of heart, but it can be a rewarding addition to a diversified investment portfolio. What if I told you that you could make money while you sleep by sharing what you know with the world? No, I'm not talking about becoming a late-night radio host. I'm talking about creating and selling online courses. We live in a world hungry for knowledge, and online courses have exploded in popularity. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable make it easier than ever to package your expertise into an online course and share it with a global audience. The best part? Once you've created your course, it can generate passive income for months, even years to come. It's like writing a book, but in a more engaging and interactive format. Think about your skills and passions. What are you good at? What do people always ask you for help with? It could be anything from graphic design and photography to coding and marketing. If you have knowledge that others are willing to pay for, you can turn it into a profitable online course. Creating an online course does require an upfront investment of time and effort. You'll need to plan your curriculum, record your lessons, and market your course. But once it's up and running, it can become a significant source of passive income. And the beauty of online courses is that they can be updated and expanded over time. As you gain more experience and knowledge, you can add new modules, update existing content, and keep your course relevant and engaging. This helps ensure that your course remains a valuable resource for your students and continues to generate income for you over the long term. Okay, I wouldn't be doing my job if I didn't mention YouTube as a powerful platform for generating passive income. You're watching a YouTube video right now, so you know firsthand how influential this platform can be. But here's the thing, YouTube isn't just about entertainment anymore. It's a legitimate business platform where creators can earn substantial income through a variety of avenues. We're talking ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even selling your own products or services. Now, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and consistency. You need to create high-quality content that provides value to your audience, optimize your videos for search, and engage with your viewers. But once you've built a loyal following, the passive income potential is enormous. Imagine earning money while you sleep as people continue to watch your videos, click on your affiliate links, and buy your merchandise. That's the beauty of YouTube. The key to success on YouTube is to be passionate about your niche and create content that you genuinely enjoy making. Whether it's finance, fitness, gaming, or anything in between, there's an audience out there for everyone. Find your tribe, provide value, and watch your channel grow. And the best part, YouTube is constantly evolving, with new features and monetization options being added all the time. This means that the potential for earning passive income on YouTube is only going to increase in the future. So there you have it, the top 5 passive income ideas for 2025. From dividend stocks and REITs to peer-to-peer lending, online courses, and YouTube, there are countless ways to generate income without trading your time for money. Remember, building passive income takes time, patience, and a bit of initial effort, but once it's set up, it can work for you while you sleep. The key is to choose what fits your skills, interests, and financial goals. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more tips from Infinite Asset on how to grow